Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigator, and this is the weekly market forecast for the week of July 11, 2021. Hot news for last week is most of the Chinese internet company get a stiff fine from the US because of accounting issue. A couple of big names like Alibaba, Baidu, Yeti, they get hit pretty hard. And on Wednesday meeting, the Fed was still positive at the future of financial market, with consumer confidence right up to 10%. But the jobless claim is still raised a little bit compared to last week. So next week we will pay attention on the consumer and industrial price index as well as the retail sale. So we headed to the second half of the year. The market is moving strong with a domestic equity market. Both S&P 500 and Nasdaq, they all reached a new all-time high this week, while the Dow is about to break out all-time high next week probably, and the Russell 2000 is still choppy sideways correction. But they gain some momentum. Hopefully next week they will be able to move it up. I will go through the charts so that you can see and plan the trade for the next week. So first of all, let's take a look on the S&P 500. As you can see here, so far right now we are still into the upside. We have 1 day down there, but the buyer is still step in and push it back up. So the momentum is still upside. So we will stick with the upside. If you look at the NQ, it also pulled back down, and now they try to get back up again. And the Dow, it as you can see here, the Dow is trying to punch to the all-time high probably next week. Let's see if they'll be able to do that. And if you look at the Russell 2000, which is small cap top, they are still sideways choppy, but they gain some momentum on Friday. Look pretty positive for the stronger move next week. Let's see, they will come back and test the all-time high again. If you look at the crude oil is a couple of days drop, and then they'll be able to follow support and continue. Now they're going to test up the all-time high again right here. And if you look at the gold, it also found support. They pull right back to the buy zone, and the buyer step back in. As you have been following me, we show you this chart for the last two videos, and then they still continue to go up. Definitely we have some resistance here, but the momentum is to put it to the upside. Let's see if they'll be able to get back to the positive trading range or not. If you look at the Bitcoin, it also back and forward at the buy zone. Every time they go back to the buy zone, they bow back up. So they are still sideways, but look like this one is a strong level of support there. And in Ethereum, it also back and forward, but the buy zone here, so they are close to looking for the support and try to find a way to put it back up later. Probably they wait for the Bitcoin conference going to happen somewhere at the end of July here. If you look at the volatility index, you can see that the volatility index, they hit to the top and then people slam it down again. So it means that no fear yet. So the market still have a chance to, as long as the VIX stay in the low bound, the market still have a chance to push it back up. But in the other hand, a tricky part here on the 10-year Treasury note, when they hit to the support here, they try to buy back up. So let's see how high they can go here. So this one, we don't want them to go too high. It means that the inflation will come back. So, but right now they have a tip drop here. So this is right now it's still yet a rebound, but the overall trend is still bearish. Okay, so nothing to worry much at this moment. And if you are looking for the sector, so as you can see that the technology, healthcare, and a bunch of index are still doing very well, like real estate. So I'm going to go through a bunch of sector here so that we can see which one is the one that really doing well last week here. So the XLY, which is the consumer discretionary, is still very strong here. They try to make it all-time high, and then continue to rumble to the upside. So a lot of stock in this sector still try to find a way to come back up, even though they are in the bottom. Now probably they find a way back up right now. So let me give you a couple of symbols here, B, K, and G. So this one here is okay, B, K, and G. You can see here. So this one here, after they drop from the top, they pull back to the support. Now they try to find a way to rebound next week here. Okay, and the Home Depot, it also try to get back to the positive momentum right now, and continue to put it to the upside. Couple of stocks like McDonald's, it also try to gain back momentum. They go sideways, but now they gain some momentum in the upside again. The energy sector is still doing okay after they dropped the last couple of weeks here, but on Friday they try to bounce back up. In this sector, a couple of stocks that we are still see potential, like IO. Okay, so this one here is the Rio Tinto. So this one here, they found a support, and now they try to push it back up again. Let's see they be able to get above this moving average, so that they can, the momentum will get back to the positive again. But a couple of stocks are still doing okay, like OXY. That one here found support, bounce back up. Or OKE, the one that we show you the last couple of weeks, it's still performing very strong, even though a lot of the other stocks they have a cheaper correction, but this one is still continue to push it up to the upside. The financial sector is still try to rebound after they have a drop here, bounce back, pull back, and on Friday they try to turn around here. So a couple of stocks that we are talking is still doing well. You know, the institution banking still doing well. The American Express, okay, you see that the BlackRock is still doing well. JP Morgan is still doing well there, and Charles Schwab, but also found support and put it back to the upside there. If you look at the XLK, it's still one of the strong sector that you can see here. It still continue to rumble to the upside. It's very strong momentum. It's still an upside. So a lot of stuff there. You probably have been follow me the last couple of weeks. Some of the stuff that we love the most, like Apple, it still will stay up after momentum turn positive, and the stock it still continue rumble to the upside. Couple of stocks like CRWD is still doing well, okay, and as you can see here, like the DOG, okay, this one here is still strong there, and a couple of new stocks like Snap, it also bounce back from the support there, and another sector pretty strong also, that the real estate REIT sector is also doing well. As you can see here, every time they build a bay, break out, build a bay, break out. So this one here, they are ready to break out to make another move there. Okay, so couple of stocks in this sector I want to show you here is let me see here. So like APTS also puts it back up there. After the run out, the momentum turned positive. DRE, it continues to rumble. Last couple of days, they make it all-time high right now. And let me give you one more, AVB. Okay, so it still break out all-time high and very strong move to the upside. Okay, so beside these stocks, if you are busy working, you can subscribe to our Watchlist Premium Watchlist, where I will handpick about 5 stocks every week and analyze them in detail with the entry, stop loss, and the target so that you can follow. I hope that you enjoy my analysis. Please click the thumb up like button below, or any suggestion, please let me know so that I can make the video better. Again, thank you for watching and happy Sunday. Good luck in your trading. I will see you during the week and take care everyone.